Welcome to a video from discus.com. We have another Windows 10 build to look at. This is 15063, which was released for PC and mobile for Windows Insiders on the fast ring. And notice there's no watermark on this build, so this has the potential to be the final build. It probably isn't. I suspect we'll get maybe a couple more even this week, but we're very, very close now. So, what's changed in this build? Well, as you can imagine, there is not very much. It's just fixes, and there's actually only two fixes, which is they fixed a reliability issue from build 15061, which resulted in Edge becoming hanging or completely unresponsive. I haven't had that issue. My copy of Microsoft Edge working absolutely fine there, if a little slow to start up, but yeah, it normally is working fine, no problems with that. And the other issue, they fixed the issue for insiders where localization files and registry keys associated with additional language packs on the system would not be enabled after installing .NET 3.5. So again, I haven't seen that either. Everything's working fine here on this machine. So those are the only two changes. So as you'd expect, the last build was Friday evening, and we're now on sort of, Tuesday morning. So there's not a huge amount of changes in that period of time. Some known issues. Actually, there is one major one, and that's you can't go to this build from the anniversary update, the production build 14393. Although Microsoft say that this is not live yet and will be live tomorrow morning. I suspect that's something to do with being the actual what's going in the live version, the path for the live version. So I think that's a good indicator that this could be the final build. You will be unable to download new language packs on this build. They'll go live later this week. Perhaps another sign that this is going to be the final build. And the other known issues: if your PC fails to install with a reboot with an error, then reboot manually again. And make sure you power off as well. Some insiders reported seeing a message, some updates were cancelled, and if you encounter that, then there's a registry key to delete, and you can find the details on the discus.com. And some apps and games may crash due to advertising ID that was caused by a previous build 15031, and there's a fix for that as well. So those are issues really that aren't going to affect anybody going from the anniversary update to this creators update. And there's still an issue where you won't be notified with that you need to reboot your machine. You have to actually go into Windows Update and check it for yourself. I guess this will come up with a firmware update, as it does every time I install a new build. So those are the main issues. There's not that many of them, and those two key things about being upgraded from 14.393 and the language packs do point to this perhaps is the final release version. We shall see. So that's 15063 for PC and mobile, and you can see my other video mobile on the discus.com on our YouTube channel. So thanks for watching.